See the difference between the two cantaloupe? This one here, it's much harder and has a lot of green. This one here is yellowish, pale yellow, like a goldish color, and you could see all the netting is like faded into it. It's barely any kind of green inside. That's the color we're looking for. And if you go close and you smell it, you're gonna smell that cantaloupe flavor. And then when you come right here, this is where I look for too. You see how it's breaking off from the stem right there? Look, you see how it's coming off? And if we just pull it off, look, easily, no kind of effort, it comes out. That's when your cantaloupe is ready. And look at this, oh my God. So I'm gonna cut this in half to show you guys, but take a smell. And it smells delicious. It's one of my favorite from my backyard garden. Cantaloupe is delicious. You can see we get a little yellow belly over there, but it doesn't matter about the yellow belly. You want the goldish color all over. If you harvest too early and if there's a lot of green, cantaloupe do not turn ripe over time or on the countertop. Unfortunately, it's not like a lot of fruit that will ripen up. Cantaloupe, once you harvest, you have to harvest on time. Follow my step. Let's cut this and I'm going to show you guys. Oh my God, I'm in love. Look at that golden. So we're going to cut. I'm telling you, I am drooling over here. I know someone mentioned I need a bigger knife. I need to bring one of my machete here. Wow. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the juices dripping. No, stave it back for me. My kids will destroy this. I don't even know if I'm gonna get a chance. Maybe I should take a bite now because once I take this in, my kiddos, they're gone with this. Up close, look how it is. Look all the seeds. You could save this seed, but you could see how it's oranges, yellow, orange color right around there. It's amazing. The smell, I'm gonna tell you, the taste of this, it's delicious. I've been growing cantaloupe for a while. I'm really sorry to do this, but I have to take a bite. Wow. Man, this is worth it. The juice, it's so much juice and flavor. It's delicious. If you're gonna grow a cantaloupe too, grow the Minnesota midget, the best. And here comes my daughter. She's coming in to eat now. We're gonna see if we catch this on camera. Are you ready to try a piece of cantaloupe?
Ooh, yay.
I know. She's coming to take a bite. Can you tell us how does it taste to you? If you like cantaloupe or
Juicy.
Juicy, very good. Okay, that's one thumbs up. How about the flavor? Does it taste good? Ooh, a lot of juice right there. Don't waste it. No, I'm just kidding. So how does it taste?
Good.
Yeah. So approved by Miss Gracie. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. I really appreciate everybody who's subscribed and always comment and joining my channel. We're growing slowly, but we're growing and I appreciate it. And thank you so much again. Any question, comment below. I'd love to answer your question. And fall weather is coming around in New York here, so I'm going to show you guys what we got going, but we still have some summer crops. But if you look behind me, I'm starting to clean up, making room, making space to bring in fall crops.